Could Canon's next camera steal the spotlight from Sony and make Nikon fans nervous? The Canon EOS R6 Mark III specs just leaked and they're wild. Think, a surprise sensor upgrade, next-gen AI autofocus, and a release date that's closer than anyone expected. Before we break it all down, hit subscribe and ring the bell, because if these leaks are real, August 2025 might be when Canon changes the mirrorless game for good. Let's start with the heart of the camera. Canon is reportedly moving from the 24.2 megapixel sensor of the R6 Mark II to a completely redesigned 30 to 32 megapixel full-frame sensor. This isn't just a resolution bump, it's a total overhaul that promises to deliver R5 level detail while keeping the buttery smooth low-light performance the R6 series is famous for. Imagine getting tack-sharp images in candlelight without cranking your ISO to noisy oblivion. That's the magic Canon is aiming for here, and it's going to make this camera a dream for wedding, portrait, and wildlife photographers alike. This is where things get crazy. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is reportedly getting its biggest upgrade ever, and insiders are calling it mind-reading autofocus. Picture this. You're tracking a bird weaving through dense trees or a toddler darting through a crowded playground. Most cameras would lose focus instantly. But this new system uses AI so advanced, it predicts where your subject will be, even before they move. One tester even said it felt like the camera knew what he wanted to shoot before he did. Whether it's wildlife, sports, or chaotic family moments, the R6 Mark III might make missed shots a thing of the past. Now let's talk video. And yes, Canon listened. The R6 Mark III is rumored to shoot 6K RAW externally and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, oversampled from 6K for crisp cinematic quality. And remember those notorious overheating issues? Canon has reportedly fixed them with smarter heat management. That means no more stopping mid-recording during a wedding or live event. You can finally trust your Canon to keep rolling as long as you do. And for the filmmakers out there, this camera could give you cinema line level performance at half the price. Canon didn't stop with the guts, they fine-tuned the body too. The magnesium alloy frame stays weather-sealed and tough, but ergonomics are reportedly improved for a more comfortable grip. The IBIS system is getting boosted to 8 stops of stabilization. That's right, shooting handheld at 1-second shutter speeds without blur might actually be possible. And let's not forget the dual card slots, now supporting CF Express and UHS-2 SD cards. Whether you're a speed demon or a budget-conscious shooter, Canon's got you covered. Here's the kicker. Canon is planning a major product launch event in August 2025, and the R6 Mark III will reportedly take center stage. Alongside it, the R7 Mark II. That's a double drop that could redefine Canon's mirrorless lineup. The expected price? Somewhere between $2,499 and $2,699, a small jump from the R6 Mark II. But considering the upgrades, it could still be the best bang-for-buck full-frame camera of the year. So here's my question for you. Are you ready to upgrade? Or do you think Canon still needs to prove itself against Sony and Nikon? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy the R6 Mark III at launch? Or are you waiting for the R5 Mark II? And if you love staying ahead of camera leaks and rumors, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're the first to know when Canon makes this official.